Love is a beautiful journey full of joy, trust, and endless possibilities. But what if we told you that there is a way to strengthen that bond even further? Today, I would like to talk about prenuptial agreements and its effects in Hong Kong. A prenuptial agreement is a private agreement entered into by couples before their marriage to deal with the matters such as distribution of assets, gifts, and inheritance, and financial support during the marriage and in the unfortunate event of divorce. Whilst a prenup is generally considered unromantic, conversations revolving around prenups help couples openly communicate and establish trust before tying the knot. By discussing important topics such as finances, property, and assets, you are building a solid foundation for your future together. One of the key benefits of a prenup is financial security. It ensures that both parties are protected regardless of what the future may hold. By clearly outlining financial responsibilities, debts, and assets, you are creating a blueprint for a stable and worry-free future. A prenup allows you to protect your hard-earned assets. Whether it is a family business, real estate, or investments, a prenup ensures that your individual assets remain yours even in the unfortunate event of a divorce. Nobody wants to think about the possibility of divorce, but it is essential to be prepared. A prenup can serve as a helpful way to manage expectations and to avoid unnecessary and costly disputes at the time of separation when emotions are running at their highest. There is no legislation governing prenups in Hong Kong, and these do not bind the courts of Hong Kong. However, courts in Hong Kong can now give decisive weight to prenups when considering the financial claims on divorce, provided that the prenup was entered into by the parties freely, with full appreciation of its implications, and the terms of the prenup is fair. Generally, prenups do not cover issues relating to the future care arrangements for children or their financial support. Parties should feel that they are on an equal footing and able to negotiate the terms without pressure when signing a prenup. Parties should have a full understanding of the implications of signing a prenup. The terms should be fair to hold the parties to the prenup at the time of divorce, considering all the circumstances of the case. Financial disclosure is clearly desirable, and we advise parties to produce it. Each party should obtain independent legal advice to understand their rights and the obligations before signing the prenup. Remember, if there are any unforeseen changes since the prenup, this may impact its fairness and enforceability. Plan ahead and leave sufficient time to discuss and negotiate the terms with your partner. Discuss with your partner what assets are to be ring-fenced and other areas that you wish to cover in a prenup. Identify suitable lawyers who have the expertise in this area and set up an initial consultation as soon as you have started your discussion. Consider the draft prenup carefully and raise any questions or concerns that you may have with your lawyer before signing the prenup. Ideally, the agreement should be signed well in advance of the wedding date. A gap of at least 28 days between the signing of the prenup and your wedding date is advisable to avoid any arguments of duress or undue influence. So whether you're just starting your journey together or you have been together for years and are thinking about tying the knot, do consider the power of a prenup. It is not just about protection. It is about building a future filled with openness, trust, and financial security. Prenups offer couples the opportunity to protect their finances and establish clear guidelines in the event of a divorce or separation. Secure your future with a prenup. Start the conversation today and get in touch with us so that we can help you.